Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use the Spaylater Extra credit. So first, I will help you to understand how to use the Spaylater Extra credit or the Spaylater Limit Extra. But with a caveat, there's a completely official public guide describing that the extra credit separately from the regular Spaylater. So what is known comes from the user report plus how Spaylater works. So this bill later is a buy now, pay later installment loan feature in Shopee. So once you're approved, you get a credit limit. So you have that right here. And then the extra credit or the limit extra appears to be a temporary increase or extra credit given on top of your regular escalator credit. So according to user shared post, this may allow you to exceed your usual limit, but with extra caution, some users in Reddit threads claim interest or monthly payment amounts get much larger when going over limit or using extra. Okay, so first we have to activate our escalator. So open your Shopee, and then here you'll have the guide on how you can activate your account. So you have to provide your valid ID, you have to do facial verification, choose your due date, 5th or 15th, and then your credit limit shows. So when you checked out the items, so assuming that we are done creating our account here, so let us try to find an item that we can check out. So for example, this one. So tap on the buy with voucher option, then tap on the buy now. Okay, then after that, here on the payment method, you have to select the escalator. So you tap on it, you'll be able to use the escalator. So of course, you have to activate it. So after that, just have to enter your Shopee Pay PIN as prompted. So your credit limit is reduced by the order amount. So if you have extra credit, limit extra, the extra credit should allow checked out for orders that exceed the regular limit, but results may vary. So you have to remember that there are users claims that after using the extra credit, the extra part gets removed or not counted properly, or credit resets to normal. So because extra credit seems unofficial or irregular, there's no guarantee everything will go smoothly. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.